Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Prime Video account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Prime Video account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in primevideo.com like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for Prime Video login like this and hit enter, and you can see the first result, which is the primevideo.com. Click over there and you can see both of these websites are same. One was from the Google and one was from the direct web address. Let's go to one of these. If you have not yet created a Prime Video account, you can start your free trial from over here, or if you are already a Prime Video member, click on sign in on the top right corner of your screen, either or on the bottom left side of your screen, whichever your choice. Click over there, and on this interface you'll be required to enter your email address over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on sign in to log into your Prime Video account. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve your Prime Video password. And from here you can also create your Amazon account over here. Click on create your Amazon account. You will be creating an Amazon as well as a Prime Video account from over here. And there guys, this is how you sign into your Prime Video account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.